in 1 hour I'm taking the final test for my license. It's been expensive journey. I think I spent around 25,000 and 19,000 of them was necessary. I think I had 6 driver lessons. So the test today is some safety question about the bike. A yard test, driving around cones. A final is a test around the city or in traffic. I think it's been 3 months or something. Everything is slow in Norway. Let's see if I can take this test. 99% certain that I'm gonna pass this test. The problem is if I fail, my trip tomorrow is going to hell because I can't drive the bike. I almost don't have the money for a new test, and it's not certain that a new test is available this year because Norway sucks. So then I maybe have to wait to next year. That's the only reason that I'm nervous. So let's hope. I finally got my license. Choose not to record the final test because I was the last driver of the day and the sensor seems kinda tired, so I don't want to trigger him. It was kinda boring. I actually did a lot of mistakes. You know the yard test with the cones and so on? I hit one of the cones and I got nervous because I never done that before. And after the test, after the safety check of the bike and everything and the questions, we took a ride. Small road with a lot of bends and curves and hills. So I choose to take it a little bit slower. I didn't want to look like an aggressive driver. So I actually got a complaint about driving too slow. That's the first time. I guess don't be afraid to use your bike. Now I'm going for a trip. Next video will be from the trip. My first solo trip ever. Okay, let's go.